Hi everyone, welcome back to the Online Pastry School's YouTube channel. So today's question is what is shortening? So shortening is something that you'll see in bakeries and sometimes in books, but it's not a common ingredient that people that people see that are cooking at home. The term can mean anything fat that is solid at room temperature. However, kind of when we say shortening, it tends to refer to like a vegetable shortening, which is hydrogenated vegetable fat. So this is basically a fat that has a higher melting point than butter or lard. So when you make, for example, buttercreams, the buttercream won't melt at the same temperature as a buttercream does. So, it won't melt at the same temperature with the shortening as it would do with butter. And the reason we use it in professional bakeries is that shortening does a better job at making things we call short, which is a term is kind of used for pastry or biscuits that are more crumbly and easy to break, which kind of melt better in your mouth. And that's just the result of the shortening or the butter just covering the gluten strands in the flour and not letting them link together and stretch like they do in bread. So the mix is kind of nice and light and crumbly, easy to snap and very, very soft in your mouth. In the conclusion, shortening can kind of refer to any solid fat, but when you use the term shortening, we usually mean special vegetable shortening. You should be able to swap it out for butter though 99% of the time. If you can't get hold of any, it just depends on what you're making. It's normally for like the top bakeries when you're adding something, professional bakeries when you're trying to add something a little bit extra to a mix or make bread or trying something new or get a certain texture. So thanks a lot for watching. If you would like to check out our recipe video lessons, then just click the link below, which will take you to the Online Pastry School, where you can see new video recipes every month with step-by-step and with all our different chefs from all around the world. So thanks guys again. Any more questions, just leave them below and we'll try and make a video for you next week and hopefully see you soon.